Before, wide open, radiators exposed. Model X owners, hey, it's Mark again, RPM Tesla. This is our brand new Model X radiator protective mesh grill panel. This is for the 2022 and newer versions only. Now what we have inside of all Tesla front ends are a series of radiators and an opening and closing system that lets air flow in as needed for the evaporator, for the heater, to keep the battery pack at its optimal temperature. Whatever the purpose is, you have to protect it. Rocks, road debris, bugs, anything that goes in there is your problem. It's wear and tear. So you don't want to have a radiator puncture. So that's why we have this mesh grill protector. So it works great and it's really easy to install. You're going to clean these two pieces of plastic, pull the tape off, and watch how these 4 tabs just line straight up and it inserts in a matter of seconds. You put it right there and you push. Let's back up a little bit and you push. And it's locked in. It won't come out. It's gonna stick really good here. And you're gonna have these teeth grabbing on the brackets so it will not come loose at all. It's simple to put on, and again, it looks so much better than that open cavity. And we haven't decreased any of the airflow, and we've just made it better and safer, and you're protected.